What up, everyone? How do I add my chat? Let's see. Is it here? Scene transition? No. Just getting everything set up, so I apologize if I'm not showing anything real quick. I'm just getting everything set up while everybody loads in, so just stay with me for a few seconds and we should be good to go. But give me a few while I just get everything settled. Is this stats? No, that's not it. I am trying to find my chat, guys. I apologize. I don't know where it went. Oh, chat. There it is. There it is. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I was like, what the hell just happened to my chat, yo? Why did it just disappear? What up, everyone? Salam, salam. How you guys doing? How is everybody doing? Hope you all are having a great day. Mine has been amazing. Went to the gym, had a great workout. Still not finished with my first water bottle for the day, which is not good, but we're going to get started with trading. We're going to see what we can catch. We're going to see what we could find. I know I'm not showing my charts yet, so give me a sec while I just get everything loaded in. Apexes are all in, and my Tradeifys, I have opened up 5 Tradeify growth accounts I want to copy trade. I am interested in just getting a max payout with them and see what I could do with the growth accounts. I've always traded select accounts, so now it's time for me to test the growth accounts and see what their limit is. But it's going to be pretty exciting, pretty cool. No, what is that? All right, this is non-copyrighted music for YouTube, I guess, because I don't want to get hit with copyrights. I think that ruins my algo push. Gonna just be low cortisol, right? Please like up the stream, guys. It means a lot. Thank you all for tuning in. Again, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now it's time for us to go ahead and get to my trading. Let's get into it. So again, I will be trading my Apexes and I'll be trading my Tradeifys separately. And I'll explain that here in just a second. But the whole purpose behind it is because I have fundeds and I have evals, okay? So my fundeds, I'm going to be obviously taking a 1-to-1 RR. And for my evals, on the other hand, I'll be taking a... until I get a pass, honestly. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hey, Turbo, are you only streaming on YouTube? Yeah, I'm only on YouTube now. I don't want to stream on TikTok. The main reason is because I'm just trying to look for something different, bro. I'm tired of the TikTok shenanigans. I think it's time for me to just change a little bit, go a little bit differently about things. I don't know why my... oh, there it goes. All right, cool. That's the numbers. So maybe I need to make it smaller. Extend this out. Fire. Let's make this to here. Boom. That's to right here. Boom. I know I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't... too many trolls and too much bullshit, bro. Genuinely speaking, it's too much bullshit on TikTok. If anything, I've noticed that the algorithm on TikTok is just... it's a bunch of people that are just... I can't help them. They just can't be helped. And I'm not going to force anything, bro. Like, genuinely speaking. I could only help you if you need to be helped, but I can't help you if you just don't want to be helped. So TikTok is cool. I love it. It was an amazing experience. It was a different battle when I did first try to trade on TikTok. It was pretty cool, good experience. I loved it, honestly speaking. These are my Tradeify accounts, so this is my Apexes. All right, cool. But yeah, TikTok was great. Now it's time for me to go ahead and get this. So, brother, what do you recommend? Which accounts should someone start to get with a payout? Select accounts on Tradeify are my personal favorite. Genuinely speaking, I love them so much that I just would never let go of these accounts. Tradeify has also moved me to a live account and has helped a lot. So, yeah, I think they're a great firm. I think they're probably the only firm that I would stick to. Now in Q. Today on my fundeds, I'll be taking specific levels. I see NYPM got taken already. Price kind of came down from this. We are bouncing. A little interesting place. Let's see. Cool. This whole leg up right here is a little interesting, so let's see what it has. This is the only level that is kind of interesting in this whole move up. Now this move down is also interesting, so this is a higher time frame move down, which would be pretty cool if we can get a short. Let's see this high right here. So on NQ we have this whole move down, we have this, the 0.79 from this high to this low. That's a little interesting. Which we kind of, did we tap? No, we did not. We tapped the 618. I think we continue pushing up to this high. From this high, I will take it for a short. We also have the 886, a little bit interesting. Bias on gold, I'll check it out. Update the Gex Turbo, I did. That's already updated. That's already updated, bro. That's already updated. Latest published. Please like the stream, guys. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. And I'll pin your comment. Who wants to be mod on here? What about Discord? I'll be live on Discord during New York. I apologize, man. I'm just exhausted from the flight, so I thought, I was just really tired. So I apologize for not popping in. Me. Okay, we'll do... Hollow, I do like you to be a mod. Let's see. I'm a TikTok mod. Okay. Already. Okay. How's everybody doing? How's everyone's day? Did you guys take any trades today during New York? Okay, this guy, cool. We'll put you as a mod. We'll put her as a mod. Quality, content, overviews. Yeah, that's the whole point, bro. All right, there you go. Got some mods. During your freaking vacation, I did my best, bro. I did my best, genuinely. It was like I would wake up. Okay, this was Hawaii. I would wake up and I'm like, all right, let's go grab breakfast. So we go grab breakfast. After that, we're like, you know what? It's time for us. Oh, there he is. I was looking for you, bro. So I could put you as a mod. Puff. All right. So yeah, I would be like, all right, you know what? It's time for me to go ahead and do this. And just go and eat. I come back home, like literally I have to rush back home so I can go live and then do that again every single day. It was exhausting, but it was so worth it, bro. It was so worth it. Had to make my daily TikTok post so that way people know that I'm live on here. All right, so NQ, we have this high, which I'm pretty interested in. We have this 886 as well that I'm really interested in as well. I don't know if I want to take any positions from here other than just a move back up. That's the only thing that I kind of want to see at this high right here. Currently, we're at on NQ. We do have a little bit of weird movement. Maybe I need to refresh my screen, but yeah, we do have a little bit of weird movement happening here right now as we're speaking. The 30-minute, let's see. That 30-minute is interesting. It broke a 2 up, failed. The 15. If this 15 breaks the 2 down, I would want to see us continue that move back up. So this 15, I would limit this for a long. If it breaks a 2 up, then I don't want to take it. But this would be pretty cool to see. Something like that would be pretty cool. Something like that, where we break off the low of the 15-minute. Hopefully we don't break this high right away. I want to see us break the low. And this is the low right here. So I want to see us break this low and then get a shift. That would be pretty cool. To continue that 30-minute high push up. But I'll only see longs right now. My bias is longs on NQ. Now for gold, oh wow, it closed off as a what? My M and Q looks different. So you see how it says it shows me a doji here, but over here it doesn't show me a doji. So it's a little interesting. Want to be careful. Inside bar broke to the top side, but I think we failed that. That 15-minute low is where I'm kind of interested in seeing price come to before we take out that high. And I'll take it for a flip. Like I said, something like this would be pretty cool to see, but if it just continues pushing up, then that's unfortunate. 20-point SL, which would be about here. And is it going to break that high? Yeah, more likely we'll break that high. See here, it looks completely different actually. Maybe because I'm not logged on onto my. Give me 1 sec. Let me log in with my TradeVet logins real quick. This Tradify time frame is delayed. Maybe that's what it is. So that's why I'm about to log in on my Tradify accounts and see if I could just get that. Give me 1 sec. Let's see. Boom. Copy. Password. Fire. Boom. Login. And we should be good here in just a sec. All right. Fire. We're in. Yep. That's crazy. That's a crazy move up. There we go. That looks a little bit better. It was more delayed right now earlier because I was looking at this candle. I'm like, that looks pretty good. But unfortunately, we ended up flying on NQ. So that's not my trade to take. MGC though, let's check on MGC. Is there any levels? See if our Equinox model could play out today. Let's remove all drawings real quick. Have this low, we have this high. And we have, let's check the 15-minute time frame to see the sessions. So 32 is pretty nice. This is a level that I would full port with my evals. This would be a nice level to the limit. So here's what I'll do. I'll set these levels up with a green drawing just to say that they're like a green trade that I would take. And this would be pretty green from, we said 32 if I'm not mistaken, 34. Oh, right there. That's fire. Okay, so we have this right here, which is what I'm kind of interested in seeing. I'll put it dashed, and then this, I'll put it dashed. Or, nope, actually that looks weird. It looks a little stupid. I don't like the way that looks. It's just too thin. This and this. All right, fire. So these two levels I would more than happy short. We have this R6 which I'm interested in as well. It's just there's no levels to retrace into. We don't have a supply there. Yeah, we don't have a supply there. We have a supply above it. I mean, yeah, like a little bit below it, sorry. We have this, but I don't really want to consider that as a supply. Is this candle bullish? No. Yeah, so gold would be interesting here to watch and see how it does react, but NQ is a place that I'm interested in right now. NQ, okay. NQ 15 minute. No bottom wick. That'd be fire. That would be pretty damn tough. So it took this high. Kind of want to see how it does when it comes back down. Let's see. This call is easy. I think is he live? Is Easy live? Anybody know? When are you doing 20 Apex challenges? I don't know if I want to even do that, bro, to be honest with you. Completely transparent. Yeah, he is? Oh, okay. Let me call him. Or...
I never knew I'm supposed to support a player who is Muslim. I never knew that. I never knew that.
Did you take that long, Zizi?
No, I wanted to.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minute to close. Late to the party, what happened? What up, bro?
When are you guys doing the 10K challenge again? Oof.
Last time we got banned because of that, so I don't feel like getting banned again, genuinely speaking.
I'll do a challenge on Tradify. I'll do a challenge on Tradify next week. Next week I'll do a Tradify challenge with 5 select accounts. We'll try to pass them and get a daily payout on them. Can you like please? Here. Come here. Go. Okay. Alright. Now we're free.
Oh my god.
All on stream? It'll be on a Discord. You speak Arabic. Yes, I do. It'll be on a Discord chat. It'll be on a Discord. How many days Top Step takes to give you a payout? Bro, it should be quick. Didn't they
Top Step is... Yeah, didn't they update it to like immediate?
Bro, I hit the most disgusting booty builder workout today.
That's fire.
Yeah, bro.
I saw.
My booty feels peachy and juicy right now.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Joining the Discord because of the 10K challenge. Dubs. Don't get disappointed though. If anything happens. Because I'm not God. I'm not claiming to be God. I'm not claiming to be perfect, so anything might happen. But I can guarantee you I'll try my best.
Wow. And Q's just flying, bro.
When the sun shines, we shine together.
I think I want to set a limit at 671.5 on IQ.
Suing you if you don't come through. See, that's what happens. Make sure to ban you before the. Make sure to ban you before the last day we take a payout, so you don't get this last signal.
And Q's just flying, guys. Can't really do much
just
right
on
now.
YouTube, yes.
No bottom wick on IQ is interesting. Yeah, that's why I said if it breaks this law, I would take it for a long. Only on YouTube now.
All right, chat. I made a deal with the devil. Okay? But you guys got to come through. with it.
NFP
Okay.
on Friday.
I'm gonna deal with a double. That we can do giveaway accounts every single day.
Yeah, instant payout, but
We
only
can
for
do a
streams.
giveaway every single day, but we kind of need your help with it because we can't do it by ourselves. My umbrella. If you guys want, if you guys don't want giveaways, I mean, just tell me from now, because I can take them myself. I'll be more than fucking happy. Hey, I don't want more payouts for me. Type shit. It's easy. Lucid or Top Step? Lucid.
Let's see. I didn't know you were on YouTube, bro. No, we switched completely
Hurry
to YouTube,
up
bro.
and give me a 10-point trade so I can secure my max payout. Okay. All right. I need
Oh,
one.
we have.
Saying
This 15-minute.
the
Yes.
the only way for us to be able to do a giveaway every day like that. How much was it? At least how many people gotta be using the code?
Hmm.
What was it
For what?
for the giveaway? For us to keep
Oh.
giving away accounts every single day.
Well, the thing is that people are not using the code and they're expecting giveaways, so I'm curious on how that looks.
Saying.
So what we're gonna be doing is we'll soon we'll find a solution to that problem, guys. So soon we're gonna have it where it's a little bit more fair for the people that are using the codes to just verify themselves, and they get a chance to enter in the giveaway because we're doing what nobody else is doing. Yeah, there's people doing giveaways, but the amount of accounts that they're giving out, it's not gonna be compared to what we're gonna give out. Nothing compared to that.
Discord, welcome in, man. Happy
So,
to have you.
It's gonna be worth it, and you guys will like it. And we'll
10K
see.
challenge next week? Yes, sir.
You guys
Actually,
will see
not
it.
more like 10K. It'll be like more of getting select accounts, passing them together, and getting the
Screenshot
daily
for
payouts
purchase?
on
No.
all 5.
It won't be a
So it'll be like
screenshot for
5K
purchase.
payout, but it won't be. We can do it in like we might be able to do 10K in like less than a week.
I'm setting a limit buy on
What is the bias?
NQ
Longs.
for the break off the 15-minute at 558 and then a flip. I want to see this break the 15-minute flip.
What I mean. I wonder if you when your dream come true. It will be during New York. That challenge will be during New York, for surely.
So ideally want to see the next 15 break this, continue pushing back up because I don't want to see this just fly up. Let's just break the 2 down and fail, continue pushing up. So the new 30 is right here. Ideally want to see us come do that. But yeah. It won't be photos because people could fucking inspect element that shit and just lie and just say, yeah, I used your code when they didn't. But it'll be something else where we basically have it where you just buy an account with code EQNX and it will automatically put you in a giveaway, bro. And then you get a chance per account. You enter and you get a entry for a giveaway. And that's the whole point. I think the people that are using the codes are the ones that deserve, you know, the giveaways. If they're in the Equinox Premium, they deserve the giveaways. But if you're just using somebody else's code, you're not even supporting us, bro. You're supporting somebody else. So that's on you. You decide who you support, bro. We don't force you. We're not forcing you to use our code, only our code. It's up to you. And if you want to enter in the giveaways, let's make it fair for everyone, you know? I don't think it's unfair. I think it's very fair for the person that was saying it's unfair. I don't think so. I think it's very fair.
Did you get your Apex account back? Yes. Yes. We got the payout and we got them back. We're trading them right now. Apex pulled through. Apex pulled through. Respect to them. The support was very helpful. Immediately, they kind of helped me immediately with that. It just like took a day and a half for them, which I wasn't mad about it because one of the accounts we weren't eligible for a payout. We needed one more day, so we got that day, and then we were able to request across all 3 accounts. So, bro, I'm 50 cents from blowing my eval. You got that, bro. You got that.
Where do you see this going longs for? I think this high, and then after that we can continue pushing up till we get to this high right here at 671.
Can you show us the Gex levels? I got you. I don't know
That's
how
a
gonna help
pretty
you,
far
but
one.
Let me turn on the fan real quick.
How do you like the new My Funded Futures accounts? Bro, they're fucking sick, but I just don't know what's going on with my KYC. Z, how do you feel about the new Mafufu?
Mafufu.
Mafufu.
No, they're goated. I saw them.
Yeah, they look actually pretty cool.
I want to try them. I want to try them out. You like longs? My bias is longs, yes. My bias is longs. As of right now, bias is longs. When you start a challenge, hopefully either Monday of next week or Eddie fading you, please let him fade me. Yes, I want him to fade me. Thanks for the Gex level. Yo, my bad.
Please go down a little bit in Q.
Here you go.
Is this on funded? Yes. Oh. Oh, not this.
These are the levels. Is this Apex? Yes, I'm trading Apex right now. Is there any free Gex indicator? I am not sure.
No such thing as that, bro. Nothing free is good. Anyone that's offering you free shit, they're bullshitting you. If it's free, you
Whoever's
are the
offering you
product.
free shit, that means that they don't even put a worth into their own product. They don't even think their product is worthy enough to be paid. That's how I see it.
The way I see it is,
Because
if it's free, then you're the product, bro.
You're the method.
You're the method. And if it's paid, like, again, there's people that are scamming you and charging you bullshit. That's like straight up in your face. Like I said multiple times, multiple fucking countless amounts of times. ICT's been dicked down multiple fucking times, and if you still think that shit is real,
full Discord, no, unfortunately not. Gex
you're fucking
and
tripping,
the
bro.
Discord is 2 separate things. Gex and Discord is 2 separate things.
This is what I challenge. I mean, if you want to go and test the ICT mentors and the gurus and the bullshitters, ask them, what is a fair value gap? What is it? They're going to just say it's a fair value gap. They don't know what the fuck is a fair value gap. When you look on the footprint chart and you see exactly what a fair value gap is, when you see that volume imbalance, then they actually make sense. So if they tell you, hey, it's a volume imbalance that's happening in price, where price is moving too fast and there's gaps in between inside the footprint chart, then they know what the fuck they're talking about. But if the motherfucker looks at you and says, it's just a gap between the 2 candles, bro, the high and the low, you mark it and that's it. Bullshitting you.
Friend. Oh, it's big Soof.
Benjamin SMC, Jordy and
join the
Dodge, you're all
Discord, bro.
profitable
Join
from ICT,
the
though.
free section on the Discord and submit a ticket.
It doesn't mean
Use
that
Bookmap
in my eyes
or
they don't
only
trade
Gex? I
ICT.
don't use
In
Bookmap,
my
no.
eyes, that's the way I look at it.
Is Turbo talking to the Discord? Yeah, we're in a call together right now. How much is it a monthly? What's goody?
The way I look at it,
Nadia?
they are more of volume traders.
South. Whatever your name is, bro. I'm not good with names, so I apologize. Turbo beefing with ICT, man. Fuck those ICT traders.
I've been beefing with ICT since he blocked me on Twitter, bro. Not name dropping people or anything, but it's just bullshit, bro. It's genuinely bullshit. How are you gonna learn something from someone that doesn't even know what the fuck they're doing? Like, make it make sense. Help me understand that. Just help me understand it. If anyone in the chat right now could hop on a Discord call and explain to me how ICT is profitable when he can't even trade his own concepts, I will go ahead and switch to ICT.
Facts.
If he's teaching you actually profitable concepts, I get it. Like, hey, he's teaching fair value gaps, but the models that he teaches are absolute dog shit. Whether you like it or not, that's the truth, straight in your face. If you see ICT concepts,
Jordy wins pretty much.
I understand that, but Jordy doesn't trade fucking Judas swing. He doesn't trade the unicorn model. He doesn't trade no fucking silver bullet. It doesn't trade that bullshit. You gotta understand, not everything in the fucking space makes sense, right? Some people are telling you trade the fucking silver bullet. It's drawing out the 9 a.m. candle, whatever the fuck. Bro, are you serious? What are we, 10? If it was that simple, bro, it wouldn't be. Come on, man. Make it make sense, bro. That doesn't make sense. It would be coded and that's it. Simple. It's just coded. Coded. That's it. If it's that mechanical, code it. That's it. Trading is not done that way. That's bullshit. And if that's the case,
his models, you just trade a couple confluences that work for you.
okay, there you go. That I could respect that. I could respect that. That's what I'm saying. That's because you're looking at the trader and you say, okay, you know what? I grab a few concepts from this person. I've done that myself. I grab a few concepts from this person, from that person, from that person, and I combine them into my own strategy. That doesn't mean you trade ICT. That means you trade market structure. A fair value gap existed before ICT existed, by the way. A liquidity sweep existed before ICT existed. Hello? So it doesn't mean you trade ICT concepts. You just trade market structure. You trade fucking term. These are basic terms. These are things that have been in the market. It's not news. So please understand that, right? Rebranded Wyckoff. There you go.
Eddie talking about cracking the lows, bro. I'm gonna go crack Eddie, bro.
I want it to come down to 8.50 and then flip.
I'm gonna go crack Eddie real quick, bro.
So yeah, that's the way I look at it. That's the way I view it personally. That's it. Doesn't mean that what does AB trade? AB is actually a good trader. I think AB is a great trader. I actually like no one could undeniably AB is a great trader. That's AB is an amazing trader, and I've seen the shit that he does. I think I love that guy. Like no glaze, not just sitting there and glazing. Because again, you guys, I am very straightforward. I don't give a flying fuck. It's not about me just being friends. I have plenty of friends that are ICT traders, plenty, and I'll still sit here and say ICT is shit, and I'll still say that. But AB, in my eyes, is a great trader.
Never met a profitable ICT trader. Facts.
He's a great trader. I don't think he trades ICT though. If you talk to AB and you ask him about ICT concepts, like they're bullshit. And then you ask him, how do you feel about that? He's like, yeah. He's like, this is what I use.
Fibs. All right, let's talk about this ICT bullshit because it's not going to get us nowhere.
Yeah. Do you still trade GC, bro? Yeah, sometimes. Right now, it's kind of approaching a high that I'm interested in. I want to see it come up to this and see what it does there.
PB makes your monthly P&L. Facts.
Yeah, sure, bro.
He makes it off of you.
No. I think PB is good. I think PB, they're good. I think they're good traders. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and buy their mentorship, bro. We'll see you back soon. Yeah. We'll see you back at it soon.
Can I get on my own trading? Yeah, you can get on your own trading view. That's the whole point. Yeah.
Does AB live for Discord?
You get it and you claim rolls through WAP. You should have it.
AB does not go live for his Discord now. He does like calls and stuff. I've chatted with him and I've asked him like, why doesn't he live trade? You gotta understand, when it comes to trading, I genuinely like. I think it's harder when you're showing people what you're trading. It's harder. I actually, it's harder to trade live than to not trade live. And I'm not saying that to like talk down on AB. No, he's an amazing trader. But if he trades live, it would be 10 times more stressful. And I don't think he should do it because again, it is genuinely stressful. He probably will not perform the best. That's the way it is. There's people that are built for actual live trading, and this is why that's their goal. And there's people that are just not good with live trading because it's going to mess with their head. And genuinely, I think AB, it would mess with his head. I don't mean that in a way that it's bashing him. Again, I think he's an amazing trader. I genuinely do, but it would affect him if he goes live because he sees the amount of people that are watching him. Yeah?
I'm going to go on Defen. I'm trying to lock in on this fucking entry.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I think AB is a great trader. I think he's good. Yeah, he's great. I think he's a great trader. I think he's a great mentor. I mean, there's nothing bad that I would say about AB, bro. Genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I fucking like think he's an amazing guy. He's humble. Nothing bad about AB. Genuinely, there's nothing bad that I could say about AB. Nothing at all. Yeah. If I was to rate Dallas traders in general, the traders that are here in Dallas, AB would be first on my list. Let's just say that. If I was to put money on someone that is trading, it would be AB. I genuinely think he's an amazing trader. Like out of the people that are in the Dallas group right now, AB's got to be the top of my list when it comes to traders. We're about to get filled here, hopefully. I want to see us break this 15-minute low and fail. We have 3 more minutes, so hopefully we can do that before the new 15 opens up. And I guess we do not. We just flipped. Confluences, there's a Gex level right here that we reacted really nice towards. I want to see us come back up, take out this NY. Oh, wait, MNQ. Let's go on MNQ real quick. I want to see us come up and take out this high right here. So NYAM high. And I know we did kind of close above it right here. We kind of worked off of it, but I want to see us retest this high. So I'm bullish for now until we come down for at least maybe right here. It's below this candle right here. Then I would look for a short. But for now, I'm bullish. I won't take it to this high, by the way. I'll take it to like right here, max, or right here. But yeah, genuinely speaking, I think number 1 on my list, AB. That's the number 1 trader in my eyes right now when it comes to the Dallas group. Number 1, AB. ZZ comes right after me, of course, because I have to be a little bit. I'm not going to be cocky and put myself first place. Whoop-de-doop, but I consider me. Then AB, ZZ, myself, and then I would look at, for example, next would be either Jordy. Actually, Akram. I would say Akram 4. Akram is a good trader, by the way. And then you have who else? Who's next? Ant. No, I would say Jordy and then Ant. I would rate Jordy higher than Ant. I would rate Jordy higher than Ant. I think Jordy's a great trader. I think Jordy's good with scalps. Jordy's good with scalps. From what he's told me, again, he's been trading for a pretty long time, so I think that's why I'm rating him that high. So that's why. And then you have, after Jordy, it would be Ant. After Ant, it would be CJ Wawa. CJ Wawa, then it would be... So, here, I'm going to just write them down. 1 would be AB. 2, CZ. 3, obviously me. Or I'm not gonna count myself in the list. I'm not gonna put myself in the list so it doesn't come off weird. So after ZZ, I would look at Akram. 4, I would look at CJ Wawa. 5, I would look at... actually, no. I'll take that back. Not CJ. No. I would say Jordy. Then I would say 5 is Ant. Then I would say 6 is CJ or Eddie. 7 is... the only reason Eddie, I'm putting him in 6 because he's new. He hasn't been trading for so long. So I can't say Eddie and then like feel comfortable saying that because, again, he hasn't been trading for that long. I'm going to move my limit to this 30-minute high. Or low, sorry. Which, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get filled on this long. It's just been moving up nonstop. I want us to take a 30-minute low at least. Oh, this 30-minute hasn't even closed. This 15-minute would be nice. Oh, I got rid of the... Oh, there it goes. All right, cool. Let's put my limit at this 15-minute low. What? How do I get rid of this? 1 active. Let me refresh this. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, I just have to refresh over here and there to check if it's there or not. Eddie, the only reason I say Eddie is because he's new. Obviously, I'm not saying that to hate Eddie or hate on Eddie. It's just because he's new. Again, so I don't want to put him up in the list when he's fairly new. Like, it's only fair. I'm not trying to, that doesn't make sense to me. After that, Akram, I wouldn't even think Akram is a Dallas trader. I think he's more in the Miami space. So I'll take Akram out of the list. Jackonomics. Jackonomics. Interesting in the topic. Jackonomics. The only thing that I have to say about Jackonomics is one time I asked him about his trading strategy and he said it's just like how he feels. So like he just said, oh, I just like feel like the market is going up. So I was like, what the fuck does that even mean, bro? So yeah. What else? Who else? Shinobi, Shinobi's not in Dallas, so I can't rate him. Who else is in Dallas that's a good trader, I would say? And Jordy. I think actually I'll put sixth place. I'll put CJ. I like CJ. CJ Wawa, because of the way that he trades. He's quiet, so that's why. Who else? Who else can I put in the Dallas group that is also a trader? Let me see the group chat. I know we have a group chat, so all the people in there, I'll just kind of go over that. Cole doesn't trade anymore. He kind of let go of it. Bilal, he's new as well, so I can't even rate him yet. CJ, Jackonomics, Jordy, maybe. Parkham, I'll put Parkham actually. I'm not going to rate Parkham because that would be fucked up because me and him have not been close, so I'm not putting him there. But yeah, this is my list. But yeah, going back to it, let's see. PB makes majority of his money trading than his mentorship. Meanwhile, you make more money with your Discord and affiliates. Then that is straight up some bullshit, bro. Because again, I've showed all of that bullshit, and my affiliates, if you see the numbers, you'll be like, what the actual fuck are you making no money from affiliates? So you sound like an absolute idiot and just a just a dickhead because you actually don't know, you're illiterate. And I can't blame you, right? I'm not here to prove a point to you because, again, I've already proven that point, which I make nothing actually compared to a lot of people, which will not show you how much money they make off their Discord or off of their affiliates, which I've showed both, and I'm happy to show both. And I make a fuck ton more off of my trading alone, just from my live account. Last month alone, I requested 10x what I've made off of my Discord. Last month, I made 10K off my Discord, but guess how much I made off of my fucking trading by itself? $77,000. It's not including the 2 TPT payouts that I took at the end of the month because I didn't want to be cocky and include those. So you sound like an absolute dumbass now that you look like that. On top of that, my affiliates. On Apex, I have barely crossed $13,000 in affiliates. I can guarantee you that I am the least paid amount person from the Apex affiliate field that you could go ask your favorite mentor like PB himself or anybody that is in a matter of fact, how much money have you made from your affiliate codes with Apex or any other firm? And they would tell you 10x that shit. So now you sound like an absolute idiot because I see the numbers. I'm also a trader and I see the numbers on the back end. And genuinely speaking, not to say this in any way that's to sound envious of them or anything. Genuinely, I think actually that's amazing because they're dealing with little stress and they're making as much money as possible. They're capitalizing, which I have nothing to say about, just respect to that. I respect that. But am I going to sit here and pretend like, oh, I make a fuck ton of money off of my affiliates and all that? No, I don't. And that's been proven. So again, that's just bullshit. And yeah, you're just dick riding at this point because they have not showed a singular time. They have not showed a singular thing about how much they make off their Discord. Or they have not showed a single thing about their affiliates. So I don't want to hear it. Like, when you look at, let's go over this real quick. Watch how he's going to look like an idiot right now. He's about to look like an idiot. Watch. There's 143 people watching, and you're about to look dumb as hell in front of every single one of them. This is on Tradeify. This is on Tradeify right here. This is on their page, which I'll refresh right in front of you. And I'll scroll down. And we'll go July 1st till the 31st. $3,000 in comms. That's it. Which is also $600 in commission. This is how much I made. $600. That's how much I made. $600. That's how I made. $600, okay? Now we could go ahead and look at Apex. And I challenge you to tell your favorite mentor to do this, by the way. Nobody's going to do that. Nobody's going to do that. I dare you to go to someone and tell them to do this, by the way. But they won't. They will not. This is July for the people that are wondering on Apex. Total. It says it right down there. Again, I have nothing to prove. I'm not trying to prove a point or something. I'm not trying to like bash anyone because I think I actually give them props. I made 2,400 on Apex. That's in affiliates. Okay? You can go ahead and check my Twitter and see how much I made in payouts. As a matter of fact, I could filter them for you. I could genuinely filter them for you and show you. Because they're going to look like a dumbass. Again, I'm not saying this to say it's envious or something. I genuinely give them props for actually capitalizing because I would do the same thing, bro. I would do the actual same thing. I would do the same thing. If I was also put in that situation where I could capitalize on how much money I could make off of my code, I would do the fucking same thing, bro. Why wouldn't I? Like, that's actually amazing. I would do the same shit. I'm not going to go over August because there's just no point of August having that. It's just not worth it. So this is just deposits right here. July. All right, July. Cool. I don't want to showcase the number of my actual account. How can I hide how much money I have in my account? Because I don't want to talk about that genuinely. How can I hide that? I can't hide that. Okay. Well, if I hide the right side, now it's going to look like I'm... Okay. Okay, I'm just going to take a screenshot. I'm not sure. I'm going to take a screenshot and hide the numbers on the side because I don't want to show how much I have in my account. I don't like to discuss that. That's just private info that you shouldn't even care about yourself. And if you do care about it, then suck my dick. You'll never find out how much money I have because that's none of your goddamn business. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Woo, woo. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Woo, woo. If you're happy and you know it and you ain't afraid to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Wee-oo, wee-oo. This is just one screenshot. This is not, I just took it right now, by the way, and just hit everything. And you can see the date as well up there. It says today, right now, literally a few minutes ago. And it shows you the deposits, you fucking idiot. The deposits, right here. If you could, I just showed you my affiliates on Apex, and none of my affiliates show that I've made $26,000 on Apex. None of my affiliates also show that I made $18,500 on Apex. So now you look like an absolute dumbass because, yeah. Yep. Whoop-de-doop. Go cry about it. Take a trade yet? No. Who rage baited Turbo? No, I'm not rage baited. I'm just proving a point to this idiot that thinks that he's... No. So you're upset people rather use PB code because you're actually changing... This guy is now changing it. So now he's changing that. So now he's like, oh, well, now you're upset because, they're using his code. Well, you see, now you look like an absolute dumbass. See what I'm saying? You just look like a dumbass. That's all it is, bro. Yeah. See, like now in front of all these people that are watching right now, and in front of anybody that's coming into the live in the future, you're going to look like an absolute stupid. Yeah. There's people there you go. Cope for not creating valuable content for people in exchange to repay you for your codes. Unfortunately, I don't give a shit about that. I unfortunately care about just one thing, which is making money from the market and also helping as many people as I can. I don't care about content creation or flexing a lifestyle that I do not have or flexing shit that I do not possess. I have everything that I've ever wanted, and I could give two fucks about it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, bro. That's all I gotta say. I'm happy with what position that I'm at in life right now, and I make money from trading, and I actually make money from trading, and I don't have to run ads on my Discord, bro. Yeah, I don't have to run ads for my community because my goal is not to run ads and no, stop listening. I'm not upset, guys. I'm not like triggered or some shit or like heated by him or anything. No. It's none of that. It's just some people need help, and I wish I could help them realize a little bit of something. Maybe they could. Oh, gold. Wait. I'm gonna limit this high on gold, guys. I'm gonna limit this high on gold. We'll try it out for like a small, tiny amount of risk. Why the fuck is it so high up there? I want that 30-minute high. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Actually, I want the 30-minute to close before I take that entry. So when the 30-minute closes, then I'll do it. But yeah, I'm not upset. Like I said, I'm not really hurt or anything. I'm not really triggered. I'm not really bothered. I don't really care. It's at the end of the day, just giving him the truth that if you were running ads on your community and trying to funnel people into joining your Discord, what does that fucking tell you, you fucking idiot? Like, lock the fuck in and actually look what is straight in front of your own two eyes, you dumbass. Because if you don't, then you're actually fucking stupid, and I can't help you, bro. And I suggest you go watch someone else. Yeah. Yeah, that's all it is. It's nothing personal, bro. It's just actually what's common sense in front of your own eyes, and what's sometimes not common sense because you're just falling for dumb shit. And I mean, I don't blame you. You deserve to get scammed. You deserve to be in dumb situations because you put yourself there. No one puts you there. I mean, if someone is running an ad straight in your face 24/7, what does that tell you, bro? That's what I talked about on my fucking thing. I said, guys, let's make a website on our code and run ads, run SEO, and optimize it the most possible so that way people could run and funnel our code. There's people that give a fuck about people that use their code. There's people that give a fuck about their mentorship sales and how much money they make off their mentorships. And there's people that don't give a fuck. And there's a reason. Like Lanto. When do you see Lanto? And Lanto, I could speak about him, right? I could speak about Lanto in a good way. When can you speak about Lanto and say he ran an ad on his Discord? He makes money from trading. But guess what? I've yet to see him do anything like that. I'm going to try out this high here in just a sec. All right, 9 seconds. All right, I'm going to try out this high, guys, on gold with a tight stop. But yeah, so I hope that helps, but I have to get rid of you now because I'm not going to sit there and deal with this bullshit. I'm going to put you in timeout, actually, for 15 minutes and make you think about life. I'm going to put you in timeout. And then we'll just have you thinking about life choices and the choices that you've made and where they brought you, bro. And that's it. That's all I could do for you. Let's do 30 minutes. That way you could think about life. This is fine. It's creating that bottom wick. I'm not worried about. Okay, really? You gave up on the NQ trade? I did not give up on the NQ trade. I'm just waiting to see if there's any kind of reaction, bro. 15-minute low. We did not break. That 30-minute low would be interesting. If we break that 30-minute low, I'd be more than happy to take it. Wow. This is just going to plummet without me, probably. I'll watch NQ right here on this chart, and I'll look at gold, but gold is just rejecting. Doesn't look like it gives a shit. Breaks that 30-minute low, the Equinox model will play out without us. When will your turbo win? What? PB's You gave up on NQ trade? No, I just canceled it because it's not moving. So I'm like, I'm gonna wait. Damn. DX feed on live accounts will be available on TradeFX. I think live accounts in general will be available on TradeFX soon, bro. I think that's what we're looking at. Just any live accounts. Is data feed, by the way? Oh, I don't know much about them, to be honest with you. Maybe soon we'll have that. I'm not entirely sure. I would have to ask the developer and see what he says. Did not break that low. Yeah. Would have to wait. This is Asia right here. So this is Asia open. So hopefully we can get this fill maybe. Every pullback on a Q has been bought back. But yeah, going back to the topic, if someone is claiming that they don't make anything, or that, oh, look at me, I'm vulnerable, please use my code, whatever, tell them to show you. Show me. It's not hard. I just did it. It's genuinely not exhausting. It's not hard. It takes a few minutes out of your day, and people could be like, oh, damn, yeah, nobody's actually using this shit. That's it. So... don't let anyone fool you. You can only be fooled if you let them fool you. That's it. The only way for you to be fooled is if you let them. So don't let anyone do that to you, bro. And Q, from this high, it is a little bit, about 60 points till this high. So maybe we'll set that limit for that high. On gold, I really want this. On NQ, I really want that high too. So this turbo is locked in now. Yeah. Three ads in a row now. God, what the fuck? Really? Shouldn't be running ads on this video. That's weird. That guy said just like the slander. They don't like the slander. It's not slander if you're just speaking. Again, it's an opinion. Whether you like that or not, it's just a fucking opinion. So if you hate it, suck my dick. Don't ask for my opinion. If my opinion is going to hurt you, then don't ask for it. That's it. You asked me for my opinion. You came in here and yapped about them. It wasn't me that yapped off about them. You came in here and yapped about them. I never mentioned them. So, yeah. You have the ads on this live. What the fuck? I'll check it out. I'll check it out right now. See what the fuck is going on. Hold on. Okay. Should be good. Should be paused. I have to pause it manually. So if ads come up, just let me know, guys. And I'll just pause them. I could pause them manually. And Q is not too far off that high. Keep the ads, nobody give a fuck. I understand some people find it annoying, so just let me know. What's your opinion on He's still talking about his ass. Holy shit. Wall kissers are wall kissers, bro. They're good people. You can't talk too much about them because you're gonna get bananaed. Let me go get my ZYNs. Oh, I can say it, Zen. Because I'm on YouTube. No, don't reject without me. We gotta put the music back on. Is the music off? Who paused? Oh, I paused it maybe just because I was yapping to this guy for a little bit. Just having a little bit of a yap off with him. Keep in mind, all the shit that I said was not hate towards anybody. Again, if somebody's taking it in a hateful way or in an offensive way, well, guess what? Fuck you too. I could care less. And if any of the mentors is taking it in a way that's like, oh shit, he's bashing me or whatever, I could do it. Go ahead, do your thing, bro. If you're mad because I showed my affiliates and you can't, that's on you. Your subconscious is not clear, and that's not on me. That's on you. Yeah, it's true. It hurts sometimes. That's one thing. That's what I'm saying. Like, some people are like, "Oh, he showed his numbers. Why the fuck would you do that?" No, you're a bitch for showing it. Like, okay, bro. I have no issues showing it. If you're transparent and you're actually being transparent, there should be no issues. There should be no problem. If there's a problem of you showing the numbers, you're not being transparent. Your subconscious is not clear. Then that's on you. That's not on me. That means you're lying. And because you lied, doesn't mean I have to lie. That's it. This is too calm for me. Let me look up on YouTube actually. I'm gonna look up on YouTube non-copyrighted music for YouTube. Non-copyrighted music for YouTube. Live. I guess that doesn't fucking exist or what? Alright, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I'm not in the mood for that. NQ took this high. Damn. NQ's coming down with aggression here. Broke this 15-minute low. Wait, NQ longs might not be a bad idea. If it comes down, breaks this 30-minute low. I don't want to take it just because I want it to break that 30-minute low, and then I'll take it. 15 micros is probably what I'm going to take it with because I want to size in light on this, guys. Keep dumping. You were just dumping, yo. What are we doing? What are we doing? What's the daily P&L? So far, nothing, bro. I haven't taken a single trade yet. What up, bro? How you doing? I still trade the strat. Everything is pretty much the same. I just added more gex and fibs. So it's just levels that I'm interested in seeing, like price kind of react off of, and that's it. Gold models playing out, unfortunately, without us. So yeah, how was your trip? It was amazing, bro. Loved it there. It was great. Still trade strat, supply and demand. I think gex is more like supply and demand for me now, and the strat is still some places I look at when it comes to higher time frame narrative. And yeah, that's it. I think we come down a little bit more. Come on, break lower day again. Break lower day again. Break lower day again. I needed to break this low. Break lower day again. Come on. Brother, are we serious right now? Are we being dead? Brother, you barely tapped it. I miss you on TikTok too, bro. You're more than welcome to being here, bro. We're on YouTube now. We're on YouTube now. I really wanted to break that 30-minute low. Longs on GC? No. Shorts. Longs not anytime soon, bro. The Equinox model, this is the second day that it plays out on me, so I'm not really too worried about it. It's what it is. Oh man, this looks good for it. It's unfortunate that this missed me by like a few points. If it does break this 30-minute low, that'd be sick because that would be good for Phil. The only thing I'll be worried about is this hourly low. About 46 minutes left. Oh yeah, it's coming for me. I want to risk 500, so I want to see how much that would be if I have my points, or if 25 points stop loss. Okay, give us that fill. Come on. You want to break a 3-bar and flip. Come on. Break a 3-bar and flip. No, don't do it. Break a 3-bar and flip. Come on, no. Okay. Huh? A brother. Ooh. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. We gotta get filled. We gots to get filled.
Order filled.
Thank you. Whoa, that's 700. I'm taking $500 loss max on this. That's 16 points? That's not enough. I need 20 point stop loss at least. That's it right there, 20 points. 600 is good. Yeah, that's fair. Where's that hourly low? Okay, just broke it. Whoa. Okay. All right. Where is our next level? 517. Yeah. Daily open. Yeah, bro, that's crazy, right? Guess 517 would not be a bad idea. .517 point what? What is this? 0.5. 517.5 is not a bad idea. Not the yeah, that shit was bad. Motherfucker ran straight to my stop loss right away. Well, actually, I need maybe 10 micros on this. Okay, don't do that, bro. Don't do that bullshit. Don't be on no bullshit, bro. Alright, 20-point stop. So that's right here. Stop sell 10 points, 20 points, sorry. That's good. And then we'll run it for 1 to 2 or even this high actually, so 50 points. Yeah, just right here. Yeah, it's not bad. $40.77, 15-minute supply, 0.79. Yeah, I saw that, but don't trust the shorts. So even though it's bleeding, bro, shit is dumping. That would be low a day, by the way. Right here, interesting. That's Asia low, yeah. Let's see it. I'm gonna use the bathroom meanwhile this gets filled. 1 sec. Ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Okay, that's a good sell. That should get us filled.
Order filled.
It's 500. That's 500. Do I even want to signal this? Don't think I'll send it because it's just plummeting. Holy, like what is a sell-off, bro? It's a massive sell-off, wow. Too much volume, I see that, but it doesn't look bad for it, so doesn't mean I'll not take the limit. I'll still take it and see what it does. I won't signal this out. I don't like it too much to signal it. This closes inside. I might add 2 more to my position and move my stops tighter. Okay. Break it 2 up. No. This is the first candle that we get this bullish again after this. So it's either we bounce off of this or we just continue bleeding, and that'll be just, all right, you know what? Like, I can't do much about that. Broke off this 1 minute side.
Order filled.
Yep, that's one account closed. It's okay. Really? Really? So this account hit DLL, which is 1,000, not bad. But this, let's see. This has a $2,000 lockout limit on this account, so we'll see. If this kind of flips back up to being bullish, I'll add 2 more, but at the moment, I just don't want to even add because it's just sell. Because I want to take it to move back up into this Gex level right here. Tap the 7-9. Hmm. 5, 10, 8 points in drawdown right now. Add 2 more if we get it move up a little. New 1 minute, come on. All right, breaks the 2 up, I'll add 2 more. No, oh, there it goes. It's double topping, it's not breaking it. Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
I added 2 more to my position, just to put a little bit more risk on the table. Move my stops or my TP a little bit lower. Still risking 588, so it's not a lot. 12 micros, nothing too crazy, nothing too extreme. Risking below what I want, which is like, it's fine, it's okay. I'd rather just risk that than risk the entire account. We'll see. I want to see this bounce back up to this high at least. $44, there we go. That's perfect. We shall wait and see. Used 35 lots on a reel. Oh wow. That's a lot, bro. If we take this trade as a losing or a winner, I'm going to switch to evals and just trade for the rest of the session with evals. So we'll see right now what it likes to do. Don't want to see us come back down, to be honest. So put my stops at this low now, guys. So I'm still risking 500, which is the original risk. I don't see the point of us coming down towards this low. If we do, I want to get out because it's just bleeding out of control at that point. Minimizing my loss as much as I can. So 1 to 2. Four-hour work at 29 is too strong. That's why I'm minimizing it. If it keeps bleeding like this, then there's just no point of me being in this trade. And just cutting down that risk is better than me just letting it be. There's no point. Again, there's no point of forcing. If it goes below that low that we just made, then there's no point of me entering in with more. We just did that, so I do want to add 2 more to my position. I'm going to add 2 more and let it be. That brings me back to my original entry and risking 600, so it's not bad. Stops us still at that low that we just made. If we break this low, I want to be out. So 600 I'm risking exactly to be exact 600 on the dot. Come on, NQ. Give us the bounce. Come on. Bounce. Does TradeVate use Trade C or TradeVate type of slippage? TradeVate. Not Trade C. TradeVate. Come on. Bounce. No. Just bounce, bro. Ah. We're just bleeding again.
Order filled.
Well, that's the account getting locked. Oh, it has 1,000 lockout. I thought it was 2,000. It's okay. These are locked, so I'll swap to evals for the rest of the session and just trade evals. What would I even want to take, to be honest? Other than this long, there's not much. Other than this long, there's not much that I want to take. So let's see. How is gold? Gold, gold, gold. You're doing it again, gold. Gold for this low is destiny. NYM low. This is previous day lows now. Other than this long on NQ, I don't know what I would want to take. Because, I mean, I could take this. But there's no levels for it. Wait. This might not be a bad idea actually. But I would limit this NYPM low at 475. I won't limit the 79 or the 886. Alright, fuck you. I'm not watching this, bro. That's bullshit. That is some bullshit. Fries, bro, fries. 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 Fries, NQ, fries. Fries in the bag. NQ, fries. Fries. Fries in the bag, NQ. Fries in the bag. Fries in the bag, NQ. W turbo for trade. W's, bro. W's. There goes TP. Fries. Fries. Fries in the bag. Fries in the bag. Fries in the bag. Why did I add? I was not expecting it to retrace anymore. I wanted to see an explosive move back up, which is, yeah. Unfortunately, I did that too soon. Yeah. So I was just expecting it to make an explosive move back up, but it chopped around, came down, DLL'd me, and moved up. Amazing. Too many ads, oh shit. Just let me know when you guys are getting ads. I'll get rid of the... Let me talk to ZZ real quick, if he's there.
Yo.
Brother. DLL'd, and then it runs to my TP.
I just missed my entry.
DLL'd me, and it ran straight to my TP, bro. I want to short it from here.
Yeah, me too, but I just missed it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna end with 5 here.
Order filled.
I'm entering with 20, bro.
I want to add more. Just a girl. Hold on. Is it gonna retrace back up?
Wait, I need to get rid of Loki like a little bit, maybe. If this DLLs these accounts, I'm so done for the day, bro.
I took gold shorts.
Yeah, those printed. I saw that.
Yeah. All right.
So unfortunate from NQ, but we'll try that from short from this Gex level right here before we move back down towards the lows again. Potentially breaking these lows coming down towards that
I'll trade.
NYPM low
Maybe.
into this right here. So
Maybe. I
not a
mean,
bad
we should
idea.
have taken it at the highs right here, but it's cool. Maybe we can get our average down, but if we don't, then that's completely fine too. That's loud as fuck. Okay. Just stars. I feel like I swear I'll behave.
Exit? No, I'm good, bro.
Why is
W thank you, bro. Fire. Let's see. Oh my god, man.
I got the moves. I got that move.
See, you don't hear the music, you just hear you saying, I got the move.
Bro, leave me alone. I'm locked in.
I feel that,
Locked
bro.
and locked.
You're locked. I'm trolling, guys. I'm gonna have it up here.
I'll be back. Hold on.
All right. It's easy. I just hear him. I got the move. Equinox model played out. I know. I saw, bro. I missed it, unfortunately. But it's all good. It's all good. That's so funny. Once we break this low, guys, I'll go break even. Nice. Nice. That's a 1-to-1 already. We're going for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2.5, sorry. So, not the worst. That's a beautiful 1-to-1.5. 30 points up right now. See gold, bro? Wait, what happened with gold? Wait, I'll check it out here just a sec. Let me just make sure I go break even at least whenever this does break that low. Or, could check it meanwhile. GC. Wow. Holy shit, gold. Wow. Massive. Not worried about that push up. Not yet, at least. I mean, it could, but that's already fine. Wow, what a crazy move. Wow, that just killed the entire profits. But if it reacts from here, if it rejects from here, that'd be golden for us to push lower, so it's fine. W stop loss. Yes, sir. It's just right now at that high, which is what we just made. I don't want to see us continue going up. I think my stop loss is just fine. So right here, SL2BE is where it would be. Once we break this low, that's the only thing I could do. Other than that, can't really do much except for just wait, and that's it. So we'll see what it decides to do. But yeah, kind of already hit a 1-to-1 RR. Did hit a, what is this? Let me see. I went to 2.7 RR, so not bad of a trade, not bad of a call out. If you want break even, good shit for you. If we end up plummeting down here, it would be sick because I want to see that same selling pressure that we had. All I wanted right here was just a retracement back up to this high so we could continue going lower. Because that previous daily is a little scary on NQ. So, ideally I want to see us start moving down. We have plenty of room down. If it breaks this high, we're done for the day. That'll be 3 trades, and I'm just not gonna keep trading. I'd consider this a winning trade, but I ended up getting DLL'd. I'd consider this a winning trade, but I didn't take a 1-to-1, so no. Just stick to the plan and let it do its thing. I will not. Why not trade Dom charts? I don't know. I don't know why I don't trade those, bro, to be honest with you. Q, let's get a move lower. Not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Nice reaction. Beautiful reaction. Don't leave us again, Turbo. I won't, I promise. I tried my best to still be active even though I was on vacation. I still tried my best to pop in on streams and, you know, show my face and trade with the Discord for even the free members too. I was there, so. Can we like make our way? Yeah, there we go. Make our way back down would be pretty nice. Breaking the previous lows would be pretty good. That would be pretty good. So break that third candle down, it continues lower, I remember correctly. Yeah, it should, yeah. 28 points, so 1-1 again. If anybody wants to secure it, you're more than welcome to. You have the opportunity to do that now. I'm personally holding till full TP, as these are evals, but you don't have to do the same. Nice bleed here. Hopefully we can get break even. Crazy profit. Thanks Turbo W's, bro. Good shit. Hopefully you guys were able to capitalize on the long. I unfortunately got DLL, but the trade still played out. I just hit my DLL. I didn't want to hit stop loss. I hit DLL, so hopefully you guys were able to capitalize. I unfortunately didn't. So yeah. Come on, give me my break even. I did personally, thanks to W's, bro. Finna bang TP, yes sir. Hopefully we get this bang right here. Break low a day. Break low a day. I need a haircut, bro. I got an appointment in 2 days. Need a haircut. Took 2 losses on fundeds. This is on evals, by the way, just to keep that up front and clear. This is why I'm holding. Otherwise, I would be exiting right now if I was on fundeds. Don't do that. The time is not working. I will see. Oh, it is. What the hell? So the timer was delayed, if I'm not wrong, right? Gonna get an edge up. All right, bro. Again, it's already at a 1-1. If you are on a funded, feel very secure. Remember what we talked about on the Discord. Every Jewish person will find a coin today. That's funny. 15-minute is inside. So we get a break of a 2 down, be pretty cool. I'll go break even off this lower here. It's not too far off of it. I think we break it. Now what I'm curious about is where's this Gex level? It's below it. Okay, close bearish, breaks it 2 down, I'll add. Actually, no. I won't add to this. I don't like to add right now with this. The way it's moving, I don't like that. I will not add. I don't like to add. 5 minutes till open. Asia's already open, bro. Been open for an hour now. But we should get some volatility coming in here in just like 5 more minutes. That's why I didn't want to add, because of the volatility that might kick in. I don't want to see us push up. But I mean, if we come up to this high, break this high, then I don't want to be in this mess, bro. I'd just rather take my losing day and walk away. That'd be my first red day across the board on fundeds and evals. Usually we have a losing day on like evals, and then on fundeds we're green, or like on evals we're green and fundeds were red. But this would be, if this stops me out, I would just step away. That's 3 L's. I'm not gonna. That's 3 L's for me personally. I know some of you guys banked on the long, but I personally took an L, so that'd be 3 L's for me. I would just have to step away. I just don't want to trade off of emotion. So yeah. Lol, Japanese. What the hell? What do you mean? I meant Japanese open. Oh god. Japanese open. Ni hao. Wait, is that Chinese? Arigato, arigato, bro. Can we come down and break the previous low? That would be pretty cool. Ni hao Shongdi. What is that? Yesterday Asia Open, Gazizi playing Asian songs. Oh god. Nah, Japanese Open. Holy. Gazizi playing Gunna, the Chinese song. The ding ding ding. Alright, we went to the bathroom real quick. That session was crazy. Was it really? Wow. Wow. I guess that's my sign. Chop our way back up. Amazing. This would DLL these 5 accounts, so 2 more minutes. I needed to push down towards this low, bro, for me to feel a little bit comfortable. Cause like, god damn, that's a strong move up. Holy! Imagine if we added. That would have been bad. That would have been hella bad. All right, 1 more minute. Hopefully we don't get a move up here. If we could come down just towards this low, that way we have a chance of the open actually being a little bit. I know it'll be messy anyways, but at least we get something. $30 minutes closing inside. Thing is, what I'm afraid of is it breaking a 2 up and then just plummeting. That would be fucking annoying. What a mess, though. What a mess NQ's been doing right now. Anybody capitalize on this? Anybody book on this? All right, here goes the open. Don't push up. Oh God. Just calm down. Yes, good. Good, good, good. Lower, 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 lower. Just go lower. No. Okay. Yeah, this is stopping. And we're out. How did that fill me for 1300? That filled me for 1300, yo. I'm total up today or down 8,000. GG's. Well, that's that, I guess. So I tried my best, but I'm not gonna keep trading because again, I am not gonna run down more than 3 losses per day. I think that's enough for me of losing. So I'll step away for now, come back during New York, see if there's a trade that I could take. Unfortunately, all the positions went to green. It's just my management with the positions was not the best. So like this one was A120. Don't fucking do it. Don't you dare do what you're about to do, bro. Don't you dare do what you're about to do. Don't even think about it, bro. Fuck that. But anyways, I appreciate you all for tuning in, guys, on YouTube. It means a lot. I'll be back on tomorrow during Asia. And I'll be on for New York. Or actually tomorrow is Friday, so no Asia. But I'll be on for New York. So see you guys there. Take care, everyone. Peace and prosperity like the wall kissers.